Hey everybody, quick product demo here. So this is tar paper, felt paper. This is what most people have on their roof. It's what most people think of when they think of what goes under the shingles. Look at how fragile this is, right? Takes nothing to tear this. That is your last line of defense against water touching the wood, the decking of your home. It's pretty inadequate by today's standards. This is what we put on right here. We put on a synthetic underlayment. We like TopShield, but it comes in a lot of brands. Nothing you can do to tear this. This is super strong. It's gonna stop the water. It's not gonna tear off if you get wind pulling a few shingles off. This will last a very long time. We're talking like, I forget this exact one, but it could be like 90 days, some are 180 days that they can be exposed to the sun and the rain and the wind and still protect your home, whereas this starts to degrade after 3 days. So this is just bad stuff. Whenever you get a roof replacement, you want to get synthetic underlayment. We pretty much only put anyone in this or something like that. We don't mess with the felt, but it's your home, just giving you advice. But I would highly recommend upgrading to synthetic whenever you do decide to get a new roof.